Caterpillar offers various upgrade kits for every machine, many of which you can install yourself. These kits can increase versatility as you move from job to job and season to season, and help modernize older equipment. Let's look at how to install guards for extra protection in harsh environments. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Today, we're installing upgrades on a CAT 299 D3 compact track loader. Installation should be similar on your equipment, but contact your CAT dealer for specific instructions. For each of the front light guards, begin by removing the nuts and washers from the lights. Align the plate with the existing bolts and secure it with the existing nuts and washers. If necessary, trim the edge guard to make sure the plate assembles properly. Install the plate with screws and 2 washers on the top and hard washers and a lock nut underneath. For the rear light guards, loosen the screws and place the plate. Let the plate slide down to rest on the slots. Tighten the 4 screws and repeat on the other light. For the quick disconnect covers, remove the bolts and washers from the lift arm plate. Align the cover holes with the 3 holes in the lift arm and install it with bolts, washers, and nuts. Now install 2 flange head bolts on the front plate. Insert the grommet and use the padlock to secure the top and bottom of the cover. For the harness guard, loosen the mounting bracket by removing the bolts. Slide the plate under the mounting bracket. Make sure the hole is aligned before installing the bolt, and tighten the bracket bolts. For the coupler guard, tilt the coupler assembly to be parallel with the ground. Remove the bolts and washers and step assembly. Insert the guard tabs into the slots and align the vertical surface of the cover. Secure the guard cover with bolts and washers. For the bottom coupler guard, install the new brackets to the side plates with bolts and washers. Make sure the brackets are situated properly to align with the holes in the plate. And finally, install the plate using bolts and washers. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.